Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Michelle and this is Immaculate Life. In this video I'm going to be doing a basic trim on my knees, and then she is getting some braids. I will not be doing the braids in this video. This is all about the trim, but I will show you the braid results at the end. So as you can see, I am parting the bottom of her hair and you can see that her ends are really spacey. I'm not going to cut her hair all the way off like that, so we're just going to start the trim and then I'm going to use that as a guide, and then we're going to go from there. Okay, so she's been shampooed and deep conditioned and blow dried. I do not recommend straightening the hair before braids. It can make it hard on the stylist and then you have to put more tension on the hair. So I like to braid the hair in its natural state. Okay, so I'm going to let you all watch. Please do me a favor and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Turn your notification bells on so that way you know I drop the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so one side, as you all can see, I did the left side of her hair, but if you look at the right side of her hair in the back, it's a tad bit shorter than the other side. So when it's like this, you want to be extremely careful and take your time with doing this because it can easily go wrong. So as you all can see, we decided to go shorter. This is why I say it's always good to cut less than it is to cut more, because you give the client the option and the ability to decide if they want to go a little bit shorter. This is very, very important, but it turned out really good. She likes it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned to see how her braids turned out. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Please don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, turn your notification bells on so that way you know I drop that video. And I thank you all for watching. Have a great one.